Hello everyone. So namaste guys. Once again welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, if you click this video, so definitely you wanna speak English. Am I right? Okay guys. So guys, if you spend your golden time in this video, so you will learn many things. After watching this video, then you will know that how can we speak fluent English. So guys, in this video we are going to learn that how many topics will we have to study for speaking sake. If you are from Hindi medium student and if you are considering that without joining an institute I am not able to speak English, I cannot speak English a single sentence without joining institute, so it's your misconception guys. Actually I didn't join any institute, but I'm able to speak English. I'm able to speak fluent English. So guys, if I can speak fluent English, so definitely you can also speak fluent English. Okay guys. So guys, actually I'm going to tell that if you want to speak English, so there are two steps for speaking sake. First one is environment and second one is grammar. So guys, I know already because actually I am from also Hindi medium student and I am also from village area. So I know already there is no environment. There is no person for speaking sake because actually every time we speak Hindi, like hello, kaise ho bhai, kya kar rahe ho bhai, kya aapne chai pee liya? Every time we speak Hindi, so we know already friends actually we don't have environment. So what will I have to do if we don't have environment? So guys, it's very simple. English is not rocket science. Guys, you will have to study some grammar topics because without grammar topic you cannot speak English very well. Okay guys, so actually guys, I have written basic to advanced grammar topics name. So now I'm going to tell that how many topics will we have to study for speak fluent English. So guys, without wasting the time, come on the point. So guys, actually this is the secret for speaking sake. So now I'm going to launch and now I'm going to tell that, now I'm going to show the secret, and now I'm going to can I take out? Can I take out? Tell me guys, can I take out? Okay, so this is the secret guys. Actually I have written on the paper topics name English, basic to advanced English. Okay guys, so now I'm going to read one by one. So basic to advanced grammar topics names guys is am, are, has, have, do, does, did, will, may, might, can, could, should, is to, am to, are to, was to, were to, want to, need to, able to, dare to, has to, have to, had to, has, have, had, possession, about to, eager to, like to, fond of, sick of. So guys, there are only basic grammar topics. Okay guys, so if I talk about the advanced grammar topics, so this is the advanced grammar topic. Guys, insist on, succeed in, adapt to, adjust to, agree on, apologize of, approve of, disapprove of, ask about, believe in, carry about, worry about, complain about, consist of, decide on, depend on, engage in, forgive for, give up, help with, keep on, looking forward to, object to, participate in, persist in, prepare for, refrain from, prevent from, suffer from, aim at, rely on, blame for, concentrate on, feel like, warn against, used to, capable of, afraid of, crazy about, excited about, famous, known for, about, keen on, glad about, worry about, proud of, interested in, concerned about, decided to, frightened of, scared of, tired of, accused of, addicted to. Okay guys, and last one is that conditional topics. If you want to fluent speak English, so you will have to this grammar topics. Okay guys, don't worry guys, actually I'm here, so you don't need to worry about this topic. Actually guys, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon because actually in this video, in this channel, you will get many types of video like that. I will teach every topics and within 1 and 2 seconds you can learn easily. You don't need to deep study grammar topics because you want to fluent in English language. You don't wanna be a teacher, okay? So guys, you will have to study only this topic, and after studying this topic, then you can speak fluent English. Okay guys, so if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, because guys, actually your one like and share subscribe boost my confidence. Okay guys, so once again, thanks for watching my video. Bye everybody.